Hello and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. My name is Kinsey Heisel and I'm the Youth Services Librarian here at the Boyle County Public Library. This week for Tween DIY we're going to be making some heart and rose shaped rings. All you will need for this video are pipe cleaners. So we will go ahead and get started. Make sure you have a good place that you can set up. The pipe cleaners may be in a variety of different colors. These are just the ones that I had available. So first, we are going to make the heart ring. So take your pipe cleaner, put it under one of your fingers. This is how you're going to measure the ring part. Lift up the two strands, cross them over, and then wrap the shorter one around the taller one. Then you can take it off of your finger and it should look like this. So this will be the ring part. So now, starting at the end, you're gonna make a spiral. So you start by folding it a little bit, and then you're just gonna fold a little more and a little more just to make that tight spiral. Okay, so you have your spiral now. This is about what it should look like. So if it was on your finger, that's the angle it would be. We want it to be a little different. So we're going to bend it so that it makes a 90-degree angle with your ring. So you should have a spiral that looks like that. And then now you're just going to press down in the center to make it a heart. So I'm pressing down in the middle, pulling up at the edges, just shaping it a bit. There's my heart. And there is my heart ring. What do you think? Now we will make the rose ring. Set my heart aside over here. So you're going to take the rest of your pipe cleaners. One you'll set aside, that's going to be your leaf. And then you should have 6 pipe cleaners that are going to make up the petals of your rose. Mine all happen to be green. Yours could be a variety of colors. They could be red, more like or white, or yellow, like a traditional rose. It's really up to you. I know the library had a few different colors available, so you might end up with more of a rainbow rose. So take your 6 pipe cleaners. You're going to want to make sure they all line up at the end. There we go. Make sure they're all even. And then in the middle here, you're going to twist them together. And this is going to be your ring shape. So keep twisting them together until you have a ring. And then like you did with the other one, you will cross them over and twist. And that is your ring. So you can take it off your finger. That is about what it should look like. I'm gonna give it another twist just to make sure it's good. So that's about what you should have at this point. Now, you're going to take all of these, spread them out, spread out all your pipe cleaners And then similarly to what you did with your heart, you're going to start from the end and make a spiral. And these will then make your petals. And there you have the petals part of your rose. So you can adjust the petals a bit, move them around how you think makes the best looking rose. And that's the part for how to make the petals. So now you'll take your last one and we will make the leaves for your rose. So you're going to wrap it around the rose at the top of the ring. And then, as you probably guessed, we're going to do a similar thing yet again. Take the end and make a spiral. And this time, when you get to the end of your spiral, you're going to pinch the end to make the pointed leaf. So that way it looks a little more like a leaf instead of a petal. You can even do what I'm doing, which is fold it a little more like an oval instead of a circle, however you prefer to do it. And then just pinch the end again. So now I have my rose with 2 leaves, my rose ring, and my heart ring. I hope that you enjoyed making these rings this week and you enjoyed this tween DIY. You can give these to your Valentine or keep them for yourself, whatever you prefer to do. We will see you next week. Bye!